How to copy GitHub profile link. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you're gonna learn how you can get your profile link in GitHub. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video, and don't forget you're gonna be able to find the GitHub website and sign up links in the description of this video. So in order to do that, you must have an account already. And here in the left menu, you're going to have the option to create a repository. Okay, you can import it too, but by now I'm going to create a new one. So you're going to give a name to your repository. This is just a test. You can write a description. This is optional. And you can set your privacy options in this part if you wanted to make it public or private. So there are some other options that you can change, but by now I'm just gonna let it like this and create a repository. Once you have done that, this is going to let you check your link in this part. Git remote add origin. So this is it. Okay. As you can see, that's my username. That's the name of the repository I've created. And obviously you can paste it wherever you want in order to share what you're doing here in GitHub. And that's it. That's how you can get a GitHub profile link. Thanks for watching.